Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox Alicia Souza's 2022 Ultimate Trio Box. This contains the 2022 planner, the Dex calendar and the wall calendar. Since I ordered during the launch period, so I also got a big box of freebies. So let's start unboxing this. So I'll start with the box of freebies first. Okay, I'll set this aside. So the box of freebies looks really nice. It's kind of very big. So let's open this. So, and this is this has a list of all the free items. So it was also mentioned that the free items, the cost of the free items will be equal to the price of the trio box. So let's start with the, I guess this is the post-its. So these are very beautiful post-its. You can see this post-its. So this looks beautiful, but I think they have less space in this to write. But yeah, this has enough space. So I think this is really nice. But it looks too cute, so I don't know if I'm going to use this or gift it to someone. So next, let's go with the pencils. So these are paper pencils. So I think there are about 5 paper pencils. So let me see. Yeah, so they are cute. I think the theme is same, so it's more of the same theme. So these are the pencils. So let's move to the next item. So next is the bookmark. So they are shiny sort. Like if you look at these, this is little shiny kind. It looks nice, and also has a tassel attached to this. The next item is the journal. So this also have a kind of a plastic cover to it, which is nice. And the theme is same. If you look at the theme, it's floral themed. So I think this is really beautiful. It looks cute. You can jot down our notes and thoughts and a lot of other things. It's really creative. So the next thing is the tote bag. And the tote bag, I think, is the color is very pretty. And it's a lot of floral prints, butterflies, nature themed. So the butterfly is embroidered. Even a lot of other stuff, the flowers and things. And we have these cute keychain, butterfly keychain. It's nice. It's a medium-sized bag, and it does not have a zip or any lock in this, but it's really cute. It's nice color. So let's move with the next item. So this is the home finance bill organizer. So here we can actually jot down our finances, the income, dates, amount, the total, and there the pockets, zip pockets to store bills or other stuff. It's nice. Like it's good to keep a note of your monthly expenses and the income and everything. Okay, so they also come with this as well. So let's move with the next item. So next item is the paper bags. So they are really nice, good for gifting someone. So mostly I think I am not going to use it as such, but I'll gift it to someone while I'm giving any gift. So this is the entire free box collection. So let's move with the next item, that is the trio box. So I'll move this aside. So bring the trio box. Okay. So the trio box, yeah, it looks nice. Exactly the same theme as the bag and a lot of other stuff. So the first item is the wall calendar. So it comes in a box. So let me put this aside. So let me open this. So the wall calendar this time, it comes. Also, we can use it as a Dex calendar. So it has spiral bounds in it, and it's beautiful kind of hanging thing. So we can hang this on the wall, and the theme continues. It's also shiny colored. It's really nice. It's a very relaxed theme. You have an option to even put your notes down, so it's really beautiful. So this is there's a shiny touch to it. A lot of other things in it. So this is very beautiful as such. All are home themed mostly. It's nice. So I'll just quickly move over. So the pattern continues to the next page as well. So next we also have a lot of stickers. So I think there are two pages of stickers. They're nice, and we also have a pocket in the wall calendar itself. So it looks really nice. So I'll just move to the next item. Next I'll take the Endearing India calendar, Dex calendar. So the Dex calendar comes with a magnetic lock, which is nice. And we have a bunch of cards. So this comes with the envelopes as well. So we can maybe color it also. So these are without colors, but I think we can put our own colors to it, or without colors we can write a beautiful note and send it to our loved ones. So that's like nice. I think there are a bunch of cards. I don't know how many. So it's kind of really tight. So I guess there are many, about 10 to 12. So let's open the Dex calendar. So it looks nice, and there's a beautiful note from Aliza as well, and they're small, kind of anecdotes or illustrations. They're very beautiful. They're India themed, what you get to see in roadsides and buses and all that. It's very beautiful. But let's quickly move to the last pages. So here we have a lot of stickers actually. So there are like bunch of like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 10. Yeah, so 10 sticker pages. And these are very cute. These are some postcards, you can say. I think, yeah, these are postcards that you can like kind of tear it off and send it. They're very nice. It's good to read also. There are a lot of things that you see in India. So I think this is from a collection, things I see in India. So that's nice. Good to read also. So there are a bunch of them. That's really nice. So the calendar is a multi-purpose use, right? So many things inside the calendar. So next I'll move to the 2022 planner. So my first thing was to buy the planner, but then I saw the rest of the things are coming, a lot of goodies, so I decided to buy the entire trio box. So I'll just open the planner. So planner comes with a mini planner because I already had the 2021 planner. She always sends a mini planner. It's good to travel, so we can't carry the big one. So this is about the mini planner. So it's really cute. So you can carry it in your purse itself. So if you're traveling or staying at someone else's home. So this also contains a pocket full of dreams, a beautiful pocket. I really love this pocket. She has it in every planner, journal, everything she has it. The next item is the sticker book. So I think last planner had the sticker book, attached to the same planner itself. But this is separate. So it's a very big book of stickers. So I really like adding stickers to my planner, like whenever I have my thoughts or, make some other things. So I like the sticker book. So next is a beautiful note from her. It's really nice, like you are the official owner of the 2022 planner. Okay, this sounds too formal. Nice. So she has this, very fun way of saying things. It's nice that she adds a note every time. So next we come to the 2022 planner. This is the final item. So the 2022 planner looks very cute. So she has the, the two added in a way that it forms a heart. So I really like this creative idea. It's really nice, and it's all floral themed. And we have a small, place to keep cute notes or anything. Need to draw a face. And the additional thing from the last planner, which I saw, was holiday list was not there. So we have the holiday list added this time. The rest of the things are same: personal emergency contacts and, your glance of the year, 2022 and 23. So there's always a letter from you to me, so that you can write a letter and send it back to yourself. You can read it later. So you can write a letter here and keep it so that you can read it after a couple of years or so. So these are additional pages, and budget and planner. This is a very common in her planner. Goals, thoughts, and you can put some ideas here. So this is the start of the January month. So your January goals, you have your kind of a small planner where you can add it on. These are the day-wise, plans, detailed place to add your goals. And these are also illustrated. So in the previous one, this was not illustrated as such, but this time it's illustrated, and the text is kind of a little wider. It's nice. So let's see in the January month what else we have. So we have additional page also to add more things, and this is a habit tracker. It was there in the last planner as well. So in the habit tracker, we have an option to kind of put on your habits, day wise. You can also track your periods, some notes to yourself. That's really nice. The meal plan that's there, I usually don't use a lot. It's difficult to track the meals, but yeah, I do sometimes. Then this new thing called wellness tracker was not there in the last planner. It's nice that I can track my mood and sleep. Maybe I can revisit this at the end of the year. It'll be great. So next, I think that all the months start. So obviously I'm not going to go through all the months, but I'll just show you the pages. So they look really nice at the start of each month. So this is April, dancing mode. Then we have May, which is a great book, a lot of reading and stuff. Then cuddling. So July is about jumping leaves. August is about flowers. So this illustration actually motivates you to kind of keep writing about things, or setting goals. So this is how the planner ends. So let's go to the last page of the planner and see what's extra on the December month. So this seems to be the same. So at the end of December month, we get the highlight of the year, and the books that you have read for the entire year are the movies you love this year. So that's really nice, because I think this can be a little more, because if you read more books, you need more space to write. But yeah, you have additional spaces as well. So there are a bunch of pages at the end. So you can write, highlights of the year if you have something really interesting to write about. So these are all illustrated. Looks really cute. And next we have this pocket. As I said, it's there in all of our journals and planner and anything. She has these pockets. And the ribbons are really nice. I like the ribbon a lot. So this is about it. Thanks for watching my video.